Alright, so today we're looking at this Scag lawnmower, the Freedom Z. And it is powered by Briggs & Stratton 26 horsepower V-twin engine. Model number right here. Looks like a 41P777 with a date code of 2003 right here. So this lawnmower as of now is a 20-year-old lawnmower. It has 500 and almost 568 hours on it. Of course, it's a zero turn. We got the levers here. This is the parking brake, which is currently engaged. You want to adjust your mower deck height. This is how you do it. There's a lever right there, a foot lever that you press with your leg, and then once you release the pressure, you could pull this pin out and put the pin in whatever hole coincides with the height that you want it to be. So let's see. Oh, let's see what's under the seat here. Oops, sorry about that. Oh, there we go. Here's some information about adjusting things, hydraulic fluid levels, how to freewheel operate it. We got some sticks and such in there. Let's get that out of there. It of course does have an electric PTO. Now this particular unit happens to be owned by my sister, and she's got a pretty good sized chunk of land and a lot of grass that she likes to mow, and she really hammers that thing. So I know this thing has taken a beating. She gets it frequently stuck and has to pull it out with something else, and this thing is just a rock solid machine. And I would recommend it if you get your chance to get yourself a, well, it says it's a commercial grade right there, 52-inch commercial grade. That's this has 3 blades on it, really heavy duty blades, made in USA. So there you go, Scag Freedom Z. Thanks for watching.